Analysis. An analysis is a detailed examination of the elements or structure of something. In order to examine, you will need to thoroughly investigate and research information from different sources and logically process it, with a view to considering it for recommending appropriate action. Part A. Investigate relevant information from a wide range of sources, using a variety of analytical techniques to establish the reasons and causes of problems, or to identify opportunities or solutions. The Google definition of investigate is to carry out research or study into a subject or problem to discover and examine the facts. In your exam, instead of explaining the problems and the results of an issue, go deeper and explain why the problem happened in the first place. To investigate, try to use different support materials available to you in the case study in order to use a wide range of sources. You may find information spread out in different appendices, but still relevant to your investigation. Identify opportunities and solutions through investigation of the issues in the scenario. Avoid repeating and stating the facts of the scenario. Take a step further and explain why the problems occurred. Part B. Inquire of individuals or analyze appropriate data sources to obtain suitable evidence to corroborate or dispute existing beliefs or opinion and come to appropriate conclusions. Inquire is a synonym of asking or looking into something. In your exam, you will need to inquire about people with the company or evidence on data presented to you in a report in order to come to a conclusion and an opinion. Reference your evidence and where you found it. The data must be relevant with the question of the examiner and fit in your answer. Cross-check other source material to include in your answer to further make your point. Part C. Consider information, evidence and findings carefully, reflecting on their implications and how they can be used in the interests of the department and wider organizational goals. Considering means to think carefully about something, typically before making a decision. In the exam, consider everything. The interest of the organization is to consider all information relevant to its business. Therefore, it is your job to consider all information that comes across in the scenario. Recommend appropriate action with the help of the information given in the scenario. Consider carefully the suitability of the information you will use in your answer.